It is day 11 of that phase 2 of the lockdown, and we have seen over 23,000 cases that have been reported, with 723 deaths that have been reported so far according to the Health Ministry data, and a late night regulation as well as ruling that has been sent out by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Now in the non-containment zones, if we talk about, there has been a certain easing of the lockdown norms, and now non-essential shops are all set to be opened and allowed to be open in the non-containment zones. If we talk about, then this is a big announcement coming in by the centre in a way, in an attempt to keep the country's economy running. My reporters will be joining us live shortly on this entire update that has come in from the Ministry of Home Affairs. This is a big announcement by the centre that in a late night order, the Ministry of Home Affairs has now allowed local shops selling non-essential goods to reopen in the non-containment zones, and this is a big announcement by the centre in its attempt to keep the economy running and up. Let's go across to my colleague Shanta Shri, who's joining us live at this point. Shanta Shri, so this is a big announcement by the centre at this point in an attempt to keep our economy running, to allow shops in the non-containment zones to be reopened, which are not even essential in services.
Definitely a very good morning, and yes, it is a positive relaxation that is coming forward from Ministry of Home Affairs, where we see that the shops which are standalone shops or they are not part of the shopping complex but in a market complex are open. Now behind me in Sector 19 Noida, you can see that there are a lot of essential goods shops which are open right now, but non-essential shops are not open. Just like here, over here, there is a salon parlor over here in this particular market complex which has not been open for the past 1.5 months. But now, after this MHA order, which came late last night, we believe from 10 a.m. onwards, or post that, the shop which are non-essential, like salon, like other shops where you can go purchase any apparel or something, but it has to be a standalone shop and not part of the shopping complex, those shops can be open, and most importantly, not in the hotspot area but in a non-containment zone. So this kind of relaxation has been rolled out by MHA, and of course this is a kind of a relief for many people out there who had been facing a lot of trouble in many other ways apart from the essential goods that they had been taking it from. So this is an important positive development that is taking place from Ministry of Home Affairs. Other than that, they have also said that any kind of shops which doesn't come under municipalities, that cannot be open. So marketplaces like Lajpat Nagar, like Nehru Place, which are huge market complexes, that cannot be open because there will be a huge queue of people who will be rushing to these places to buy things which are non-essential, and there has to be norms of social distancing maintained when these non-essential shops are open, and as well as everybody has to wear a mask. So these are the orders that have come about from the late night order issued by Ministry of Home Affairs. Apart from that, if I can give you a daily update, then yes, situation looks that there will be more and more addition to the containment zones. There will be there are increase in numbers in Delhi as well as Noida regarding COVID-19 positive cases, and plasma therapy is something which the Delhi government is really pinning their hope on, so that it can bring about a solution to the existing COVID-19 virus. So that is what Delhi government has been hoping for, and this particular order, its effect is gonna get is gonna be felt in as the day passes on from 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. onwards, when generally the non-essential services or the shops open. So from that time onwards, we will see that how the MHA rule is followed and whether social distancing and wearing mask is also followed or not.
All right, Shantashri, thank you so much for getting us that update. So this is a big news coming in from the Ministry of Home Affairs for allowing non-essential shops and services to also remain open or reopen in its attempt to revive the economy, as well as in its step to in fact bring back normalcy at such times of lockdown that we are witnessing across the country. In fact, we'll also go across to my colleague Sumi, who's also joining us live at this point. So Sumi, this is a big update coming in from the ministry as well, stating that all the non-essential services and shops specifically can remain open in the non-containment zones. Take us through what are you witnessing on ground today morning?
Absolutely, Richa. This is a big relief amid the coronavirus lockdown for public at large. When the MHA announced on Friday night, late on Friday night, that all the standalone shops, all the shops in the residential complexes, in the market complexes will be open, and which come under the ambit of municipalities and municipal corporations will be open. So a lot of people are relieved that we are limping towards normalcy. At least this is government's attempt to, give people the sense that we are limping towards normalcy. In fact, right now we are present in the Okhla Mandi, which is again one of the biggest vegetable and fruit wholesale markets. And this Mandi has a lot of people. Usually this Mandi is flooded with a lot of vegetable vendors and fruit sellers. But right now a lot of people cannot be seen here, and we can see only a few handful shops are open here, and people are also maintaining all the social distancing norms among themselves. They are also mandatorily wearing their masks, and none of the vegetable vendor will be seen without a mask. And as we can see, not many people are here. Usually a lot of people flood this market, and there will be no area to stand peacefully here. But as we can see, this market has worn a deserted look, and not many people can be seen at this particular given point in time. And people here and the entire market is exercising the social distancing norms. But as of now, the restrictions, the relaxations are not as as much as given to the Azadpur Mandi. But after the death was reported at Azadpur Mandi, a lot of restrictions again have been practiced there. However, the market, Azadpur Mandi market, if we have to talk about that, it will be open for 24 hours, 7 days a week. However, the vegetable vendors inside the market are very much alerted, have been alerted by the authorities, and have been given awareness programs so that they themselves practice the social distancing norms very effectively. And as of now, Okhla Mandi looks deserted, and the vegetable vendors here, they are quite aware in themselves, and where they are maintaining social distancing norms, as we can witness. A few of them, however, there is a lack of awareness among a lot of vegetable market, a lot of trader communities also. But as we can see, the authority is outside this Okhla Mandi. When we were entering, the Delhi police barricades had several posters emphasizing on the very fact that you need to maintain social distancing norms, and people who are not here to buy the vegetable, people who are not vegetable vendors, basically they can't enter this particular market. And the barricades were very stringent. Delhi police officials are constantly guarding and monitoring the situation across this Mandi. And they had also banners which said Dil Ki Police, Delhi Police. That is again a way of showing awareness among people. So Richa, that is what we are learning this morning, that Okhla Mandi, as the Azadpur Mandi at this particular given time is very flooded, but the Okhla Mandi shows a different scenario altogether, where vegetable vendors are not as flooded as in the Azadpur Mandi. But Okhla Mandi is, of course, guarded by a lot of people, by the civil defense officials and also by the Delhi police officials outside, and with a lot of awareness programs constantly being carried out to spread awareness among a lot of people here who come here to buy the vegetables, who come here to buy the fruits. None of the customers can be seen because it's not allowed for any of the customers to walk in. The vegetable vendors and the fruit vendors, they come and they collect the farm produce. They go to the mandis, and that's where you see a lot of people coming, a lot of customers coming and buying it. And obviously, they also maintain social distancing norms among themselves by standing 1 feet apart from each other, Richa.
All right. Thank you so much, Sumi, as well as Shantashi, for getting us those updates. So some attempts being made by the Ministry of Home Affairs to make sure that normalcy can return, as well as easing of restrictions at such times of lockdown.